Walmart photo center picking up prints that I got for the shower. I honestly wanted to vlog this whole week because I've just been running around like a mad woman, and it's finally coming to an end, so I have time to vlog. I literally forgot to vlog everything, but I'm gonna take you guys along with me on the process. Look at all this stuff in my car. Back seat is full, and the trunk is super full. I woke up super early because I had to pick up the pictures early. Right now it's 8 a.m. so I finished picking up the pictures for the event. Today, all I have to still do is I still have to go to Costco. I have to get my nails done. I have to get my hair done. I have to steam my dress. I'm gonna head downtown because I'm gonna stay downtown because the shower is downtown. And then all my friends are gonna come over later and help me do the finishing touches so that tomorrow morning we're not running around, because the shower, it's more like an afternoon shower, so it should be fun. You guys are gonna see everything. Like, I literally have everything in this car. I'm so lucky that I have a car, because if not, I don't know how this would work. And there's still more stuff in my house, so literally I can't fit anybody in my car, but that's fine because one of my other friends is gonna drive everyone else downtown. So at this point, I don't even know all the games that we're gonna do. The MC, we have an MC. The MC is gonna, I guess, figure that out. But I'm not even planning on doing the toilet paper game because I just feel like the toilet. But tell me what you guys think of the toilet. Oh, this is why I shouldn't vlog and drive. Tell me what you guys think of the toilet paper game, because I feel like I'm out of the parking lot yet, so don't worry. I feel like it's a waste of toilet paper. That's why I don't want to play it. And also because my shower is kind of like a lounge setting. It's not really like seated tables, so it kind of would be hard to group people. But it could still work. I just don't like the idea of wasting so much toilet paper. It's like, for what? But yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me, so see you guys soon. Look at my car. To the brim, full. Oh my gosh. I'll give you promotion on my YouTube channel. Huh? Getting my hair done for the first time in like 2 years. First time in 2 years getting my hair done. And I realized once I got to school and I realized I don't have my parents' money, I learned to do it myself. So it's the next morning. I hope my hair's still intact because I slept in it. Finished it last night, but right now everybody is just helping me to prep. We're all busy. Okay, let's get the cups. So.
You want me to make it look like a rainbow, like green?
Sure. Yeah.
Green, yellow. Yeah.
And there's grapes.
Oh my God, there's purple. Yeah, I washed the grapes. Yeah. Okay, so blue, green, yellow.
Even colors though?
How many colors does she do?
I guess 3.
Yeah. Okay, can you take them all out? Just lay them here so we can place them.
Okay, I'm gonna just put them here for now.
Yeah.
And then.
So 36 divided by 4 is what?
I'm doing math. 7, 6.